Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Python looping or dictionary data type. So if you do not know what exactly is the dictionary data type, please go back and watch my previous video. I tried to differentiate between the list. So if you remember, list data type versus the dictionary data type. Another important and powerful data type used in Python programming language. So the dictionary normally contains a few KB pairs. As you can see, the KB pairs, the key value pairs, we say there can be key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, or key 3 value 3, or more than of millions of the pairs over there is needed for the program. So because of the large data, we don't want to print one by one. We can loop that through a dictionary. We will see how exactly works. So there are several ways to loop a Python dictionary or the dictionary data type, like we loop the list data type, the tuple data type. Yeah, in this way we are going to loop the dictionary data type. So the first is we will loop through the all key value pairs. So whatever key value pairs in this example, you can see 3 key value pairs. The second one, we can loop through all keys in a dictionary. That means looping through these all keys set in the dictionary, we can loop in that way. And the third is looping through the dictionary's keys, but in some particular order. We will see how this order is maintained for looping, and then we can loop to all values also in the dictionary. So looping through all values, for here you can see instead of the keys, we can loop through the values. So we will go one by one. Today in this video, we will see how we can loop through the key value pairs using the for loop. Can also use other loop like the while loop. I have talked before the difference between the for and the while loop, the key value pairs, and we will see the program implementation. Okay, the first one, so it's a dictionary looping through all key value pairs, which is so simple. As you already know, the key value pairs, whatever the pairs are presented in the dictionary. So let's consider a dictionary that store information about instructor. Okay, so there can be any other dictionary, but here we have taken the dictionary to hold the information about instructor. Say for example, instructor 1, which is the key 1. Yeah, you can assume key 2. Yeah, the course, and key 3, the office, or any other you can add. And we can loop through to see everything is stored. So we use a for loop that holds the variable for key and value, has that can be any other variables. So for here I have just used those key and values. You can use for x and y or for I and j, and we have used the items method. As you already know, the item methods returns a list of the key value pairs. So the next is we will print the key using that whatever the loop assigned for those each pairs of the variables, print each keys and the associated value. It's very simple to write a for loop. We create a name of the two variables. That two variables hold values, and then each pair. So in each pairs means no. So say for example, key 1 and value 1. So for each keys and each value, keep on doing, and we keep on repeating that until and unless we have one pair and 3 pairs. So it's the how many pairs we have. We can choose, as it says, again, we can choose any names for these two variables. We can choose x and y, any other name likes. Just to make it easy, I have choose key and value, so you can choose any other. That's it. Now we will go through other 3 in the next video. Before that, we will see the program implementation. Okay. The program is pretty simple. Program is here. So this time I have used the Visual Studio Code, Microsoft VS Code. You can use any other IDE, like I used Google Colab in the past, PyCharm, or online GDB compiler. The only thing here, I have stored only the instructor 1 as a key 1 as a name and key 2 as a course. You can also store another. And I try to print that prints the whole dictionary with just printing, or we can print the value using the key. Okay, so if I use the key 1 as a name, it will give you the value of value 1, and for key 2, the course, it will give the 2. So for looping purpose, it's so simple. I use the keys and value, and as I said, use the instructor method and use print that value accordingly. Let me see. So I will try to run that and see. My file name is dictionary.py. I have used the git bash For that, you can directly run from the play button over here. This is just the ID. So any ID works, different ID works in different way. You can see. So the first, the dictionary is printed as a self. If we print the dictionary, and then we fetch the value via key 1 and key 2, and then we print via using the for loop. You can also add and more values, more key value pairs over the dictionary. But for now, to make it short and help you understand, I have used that. I hope it helps, and thank you for watching.